Hi, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to show you how to repair broken eyeshadows and other powder products. Sometimes I've dropped an eyeshadow palette on the floor or had something arrive broken, and I hate the idea of just throwing it away. Fortunately, if you have some rubbing alcohol, you can press that powder right back together. To get started, you'll want a few things. First, you'll need whatever is broken. So in my case, it's this eyeshadow in my brand new eyeshadow palette. Then you'll need some rubbing alcohol. This one is from 2010, but it's actually still good. Next, you'll want some sort of surface. Today, I'm going to use wax paper on a white tray. You'll also want some tissues. I also recommend having something about the same size as your eyeshadow pan because you can use it as a press to make sure the surface is even. So to start, you're going to want to put your product out on your surface. Then you just want to take a little bit of isopropyl. I recommend pouring some into the lid, for example, so you don't get too much at once. Then very carefully, you want to pour that into the eyeshadow pan or whatever powder pan is broken. You don't want to oversaturate it because it will flood and make the whole thing kind of explode everywhere. You just want to get it wet enough that you can sort of work with it. Next, you want to put a tissue over the surface and press that powder gently back into place. This works better if you have something about the size of whatever you're working with, so something like a lid or perhaps even a coin. After you've pressed it back into shape, you'll want to use either a tissue or even some Q-tips to sort of clean up the area around it. I highly recommend leaving it overnight or for about a day just to make sure everything's dry. Once it's dry, it should be almost as good as new. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, I'd really appreciate if you gave it a like or considered subscribing. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 10 a.m. Central Time, and I'd love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.